With Munira's curry, we have got our own homemade poppadoms, which she's flaming. I want the cod to be cooked just so it falls apart. The rice has to be lovely and free-flowing, and that sauce has to be spicy. But I want to be able to taste the cod.
5 minutes. Your time is up. Stop.
Where's that time go?
David has served salmon, topped with crispy salmon skin, served with charred cucumber, lemon ricotta and salmon-filled pasta, sourdough croutons, and a roast garlic, grape, dill oil and almond sauce.
You are making very, very pretty plates of food. Yes. What you've got here is a flaking piece of fish which has kept its flavour, kept its texture. Underneath there, charred bits of cucumber, which are almost like courgette because the way in which they're being cooked. So you've got a lovely woodiness that comes through. You've got a lemon-flavoured ricotta, and it's very, very refreshing. I think it's fantastically done.
Almonds and grapes, a little bit of dill. I've never had a sauce like that. It's delicious.
Nailed it. You're very clever, very clever.
Alex has made a piri-piri chicken ballotine, stuffed with roasted pepper and chorizo, served with smoky chicken wings with a lemon and herb filling, a red pepper puree, salsa verde, chips, and salad.
Your ballotine is really, really clever. I love the moist white chicken meat, and inside that is really smoky, very, very spicy with the chorizo, enough chili around the outside, taste of piri-piri. Love the sweet pepper sauce that goes with it. I think that's absolutely lovely.
Your chips are crispy, well-seasoned, a little bit of sweeter paprika put across the top. But I'm not sure of the wing. The skin is not crispy, and it's not great to eat.
I feel relieved that it's over. I was under real pressure towards the end. Didn't quite have enough time to get that crispy skin.
Kenny's dish is pan-roasted turbot on braised fennel, topped with a crispy cod skin and smoked roe emulsion, served with deep-fried and pan-fried cockles and mussels, and a dill veloute.
I think it's absolutely beautiful looking dish.
I like that turbot. It's a big, meaty fish. I like that a lot. The crispy skin across the top, I think, is good. I particularly love that soft fennel. I think a little bit of mellow aniseed is perfect. Your veloute, although well-made and velvety, it doesn't add a great deal of flavour to this dish.
Okay. You're dancing around with little flavours here. You can afford to be a bit bolder. A bit bolder with your acidity in your sauce, a little bit more of that emulsion across the top. This is the most subtle dish you've done in the competition so far, Kenny. Is it memorable? That's the question.
Of course. Yeah, maybe I could be a little bit bolder with some of the seasoning, some of the flavourings. I'm really nervous because it wasn't 100% perfect,